Attention all tax-conscious individuals. Are you tired of high property taxes and looking for a change? Look no further. This video is exactly what you need. Welcome to Wealthy Life, where we help you find the best countries to live and invest in the world. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the top 4 countries where property taxes are non-existent, making them tax havens for real estate investing. But before we do that, let's quickly understand what a property tax is. A property tax, also known as a real estate tax or house tax, is an annual fee imposed by local authorities based on the value of your property. But did you know that in many parts of the world, property owners are exempt from paying this tax? That's right. Don't miss the end of this video, where we'll be revealing 5 incredible benefits of living in a country without property tax that you can enjoy, even if you're not a real estate investor. So, without further ado, let's jump straight into the top 4 countries without property taxes. Bahrain. Bahrain is a lucrative market for real estate investment with its lack of property tax and other taxes. The country has a stable economy and political climate, making it a favorable destination for real estate investments. Additionally, the government has implemented measures to attract foreign investment, such as granting residency visas to property investors and offering a streamlined process for property purchases. With its growing tourism industry and increasing demand for real estate, Bahrain offers potential for high returns on investment in the real estate sector. And it's not just property taxes that are missing. There's no income tax, capital gains tax, net wealth tax, inheritance tax, or gift tax either. However, keep in mind that Social Security contributions are required and a 10% tax on rent for foreign renters. Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein is known for its favorable tax policies, including no property tax and low income tax, making it a popular destination for real estate investment. The country has a strong and stable economy, with a well-developed financial sector and a growing real estate market. Real estate prices in Liechtenstein tend to be high due to the high demand for properties, but the low taxes and strong economy make it a desirable location for real estate investors. However, capital gains from real estate sales may be taxed at a rate of up to 24%, and this rate applies to both people and businesses. In Liechtenstein, the personal income tax rate is 22.4% and includes a wealth tax. There are no taxes on gifts or inheritance. The standard VAT rate is 7.7%. Malta. Real estate investing in Malta offers several advantages, including a tax-friendly environment with no property tax, a stable political and economic climate, and a thriving tourism industry. Additionally, the country has a special residency program that attracts foreign investors, and its strategic location in the Mediterranean makes it accessible to several key markets. However, the real estate market in Malta is competitive, and it is important to consider factors such as location, property condition, and rental demand before investing. Furthermore, there are no wealth taxes, gift taxes, or inheritance taxes in Malta, but property transfers are taxed with varying rates based on specific circumstances. In Malta, individual income taxes range from 0 to 35% for nationals, and foreigners participating in the special residency program only pay local taxes on their income, but this can be also exempt if the income is not transferred to a Maltese bank account. United Arab Emirates. The real estate market in the United Arab Emirates is dynamic and diverse, offering a range of investment opportunities. Dubai, in particular, has established itself as a global hub for luxury real estate, with high-end residential properties, shopping centers, and tourism attractions. The lack of property tax and the absence of capital gains tax, net wealth tax, inheritance tax, and gift tax make the UAE an attractive destination for real estate investment. In recent years, the government has also introduced a range of initiatives to attract foreign investment and further boost the real estate sector. Dubai has a growing population and a robust tourism industry, providing a strong demand for housing and commercial properties. In addition, there are no personal income taxes, no withholding taxes, and the VAT rate is just 5%. Earlier in the video I said, we'll be revealing 5 incredible benefits of living in a country without property tax that you can enjoy, even if you're not a real estate investor. So, number 1. Increased affordability of real estate, allowing for more purchasing power. 2. Lower overall cost of living, leaving more money for other expenses. 3. Attractive tax laws that may make the country appealing to businesses and individuals seeking to minimize their tax burden. 4. An attractive living environment with a higher standard of living compared to countries with high property taxes. Last but not least, improved quality of life, as homeowners are not burdened with high tax bills every year. If you are keen to know about the countries with no income tax where you can live comfortably, make sure you check out this video right here. I'll see you there.